Hey, you're having trouble with your Gemini app showing conversation requires an update. Now here is how to fix it. Here, what causes this is when app requires an update or the feature is updated, this show up if you are using the old version. Now here is how to fix it. Now here, if you click on this update here, it will bring you here. You can see here Google Gemini, but if you update it here, it won't update. Now here, if you have seen the issue and you have tried updating it here and it didn't update, now here what you do now is here, move back to your search icon here, and here click on the search bar, type here Google like this. Now here click on search. Now here it will bring you to this Google. Now here you can see Google Chrome, Google Docs. Now here what you do is just click on this Google here. Now here what you do now is just click on this update here and then wait for it to update. You can see it is installing. Now here, after downloading and install it, now here what you do now is to go back here like this on your app store by clicking your back navigation. Now here what you do now here on the search bar is to retype Gemini again like this. You can see Gemini here. Now click on Gemini again. Now here open it like this. Now as you can see, the Gemini issue is out now. Now as you can see here, we have solved the Gemini conversation requires an update. You see it here, we have solved it. Now here you can ask whatever you want to ask to the Gemini, or you can create an image by clicking on this create an image. If you want to know every possible way to find this nano banana, check on the description section or watch the video on the screen. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.